Okay, in this tutorial, how to design, create a website of your own with total domination, I want to discuss the free hosting, the free sign up that comes with total domination, web hosting, domain names, and online services. Simply click the blue wiggly free sign up button, and it takes you to the free hosting plan. You can sign up. Okay. Free hosting with total domination, and this is where almost all webmasters begin to design their website because it's free. So I want to discuss what's the free hosting plan comes with total domination. Okay, so this is the free hosting. It has 1 gigabyte of disk space. You can host one domain. You get one email address. There are no ads. 5 gigabytes of traffic, monthly traffic, and you also get customer support. So this is the top essential features with a free sign up with total domination. So that's not bad. Um, Also, you get with the free hosting plan, free activation fee, free monthly promo price, free annual promo price, free monthly renewal price, free annual renewal price. You get 1 gigabyte again of disk space, 5 gigabytes monthly traffic. Now, with the free plan, you don't get a free domain name. Okay, that means you have to pay for the domain, uh, and you do not get data backup. You do get to try the Zaki website builder, um, but on a limited scale, and you still receive up to 99.9% network uptime. And if you want the domain privacy protection, it's an additional $10, but you don't have to get this with the free plan. It's optional. And of course, being free, there's no need for the money back guarantee. Website management with the free hosting plan, you get one domain, three, one, two, three subdomains. You get full DNS management, full who is management, domain lock control, EPP key control, one FTP account. You also get advanced control panel, web-based file manager. You don't get the custom MX and A records. It's not included with the free hosting plan. CNAME records isn't either as well. Custom 404 pages, web-based file manager, password protection, SH, SSH are not included as well with the free. Email features, you do have one email account with the free hosting plan, one email aliases. You do not get a mailing list, but you get email filters, one of them, virus protection, spam protection, webmail, POP3, IMAP access, SMTP access, auto responder are all included with the free, but catch all and email forwarding is not with the free. Okay, so with the customer care free hosting plan, you got 24/7, 365 customer support, but limited. You got sales live chat. You have integrated ticket system, but limited as well. And you will also still get the online documentation for free hosting plan. Pricing is good, free, okay? Activation fee waived. Monthly promo price waived as well. Annual promo price free. Monthly regular price free. And annual regular price all free. So it's not bad. Website statistics for the free hosting plan. Okay, you get traffic statistics, but you don't get the access and error logs and the webalizer statistics, unfortunately. So if you want those, you have to upgrade to a paid. Scripting and databases. For the free hosting plan, you get one MySQL. You get 30 megabytes of MySQL database storage. You get PHP MyAdmin. You don't get the PostgreSQL databases, Postgres database storage, PHP pgadmin. You have to upgrade for those, but you will receive the PHP 5 and number 7. Perl CGI, over 3200 Perl modules are all with the free. And CD, if you want custom php.ini or ASP.NET, Ruby, Python, SSI support, cron tab support, curl, image magic, ion cube, or zend optimizer, then you're gonna have to upgrade to a paid. Okay, you do get to try out the Zaki app installer. However, just the CMS. So 5 applications: the WordPress, the uh, well, let me see. Well, the Zaki app, well, I'll go over it later. You just get the CMS, get to try that with the Zaki app installer. You don't get the website builders, discussion boards, image gallery, e-commerce solutions, wiki, social network, customer relationship management, learning management systems. So if you want to access all features, you have to upgrade to a paid. Free hosting plan is just a CMS, and I'll discuss that after the OS connectivity and security features for the free hosting plan. Okay, so you're out of luck with the secure shell access, but with the free, you get stable Linux with Apache, shared SSL, spam, virus protection, firewall protection, RAID backup, power supply, UPS, diesel generator, 50 gigabytes network connectivity. So it's not bad for the free. I mean, you get a lot for the free plan, just to try it out. It's not too bad. Free, okay? Um, Now with the free plan, like I mentioned, you do get to try the Zaki app installer CMS, content management systems. So I'll show you what you get with the free. All right. So with the free plan, free sign up, you do get to try the Zaki app installer that is included when you create an account with Total Domaination. And the content management system is what you can test for the free plan. Okay, the CMR, website builder, shopping carts, forums, and other supported software is locked. So if you want to try these out, you're gonna have to get a paid. But with the free, you get CMS. So it's content management systems, and that includes WordPress. Get to